Hey kids! In today's video, we'll be learning about carnivores. Are you ready? Let's begin. What are carnivores? Carnivores are animals that eat meat. They usually hunt other animals for food or eat meat from animals that have already died. Their bodies are designed for eating meat with sharp teeth and strong jaws. How can you spot a carnivore? Here are some features that most carnivores have. Sharp teeth. They use these to tear meat. Tigers and wolves have big sharp teeth called canines. Fast or sneaky. Many carnivores are either very fast or know how to sneak up on their prey. Example, cheetahs can run super fast to catch their dinner. Strong senses. Carnivores have great eyesight, hearing, or smell to find their food. Example, owls have excellent night vision to hunt in the dark. Let's go over some well-known carnivores. Lions. Known as the king of the jungle, lions hunt in groups called prides. Sharks. These ocean hunters use their sharp teeth to eat fish and seals. Eagles. With their sharp talons, they catch smaller animals like rabbits or snakes. Wolves. They live and hunt in packs, chasing deer and other animals. Tigers. Tigers are powerful hunters that live alone and eat wild pigs or deer. Snakes. Some, like pythons, eat other animals whole. Now here are fun facts about carnivores. Big appetites. Lions can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in one meal. Incredible teeth. Sharks lose teeth all the time, but they grow new ones like conveyor belts. Some carnivores don't chew. Snakes swallow their food whole because their jaws can stretch really wide. Tiny but mighty. Praying mantises are small insects but are fierce carnivores. They eat other insects and even small lizards. Carnivores are important because they help keep nature balanced. If there were no carnivores, some animals like deer might grow in numbers too quickly and eat all the plants or other food. And that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about carnivores today. Take care now, bye-bye! If you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos from us, please click the subscribe button. Also, give us a like. That will help us. We thank you so much and we do hope that you enjoy our videos. See you soon!